What's up YouTube? So this video I'd be swapping out my stock exhaust from my ZX4RR to a full exhaust. Now I did a lot of research and I was going to buy one of the name brands, but I was tight in budget, so I ended up buying an exhaust on AliExpress. Yes, it's a full exhaust from AliExpress. I paid literally $300 for it, Canadian, landed including shipping and everything. I did do an unboxing video of it and I can't seem to find it, so here's just an image of it. The welds look clean. I was surprised by the quality of it. It does look pretty solid in terms of its build. I'm gonna install this. I already have installed it, but this is the video of me installing it, and I've been using it for over 4 months now and have no issues with it. I hope you like the video. Right on to it. Thank you. Okay, so new exhaust time. I've come to my friend's house because you guys said I don't have enough tools or gloves. Here are the gloves. Just taking the fitting off and waiting for the bike to cool down, and then we'll swap the exhaust with a full exhaust. All right. So the fairings are off. Took a while to get the fairings off. Just waiting for the engine to cool down and then probably take the exhaust off. Yeah. Okay, the exhaust is off. It's not that heavy. I expected it to be heavy, but it's not. And this is completely off. You see the headers will go there. We did buy some extra, what is it, washers? Gaskets. So we're gonna replace the old ones, the copper ones that you see. I put the new ones on. A lot of weight saving. Stay tuned. This is the new full exhaust that we're gonna put on. We're excited. Let's see how it sounds.
In the very corners?
Yeah.
You just got to get more of the cloth wet and like stick it in there.
And there was definitely this leak over there. Look at this.
Yeah?
Yeah, 100%.
Actually, let me not speak too soon. You still may have to. I don't think I have anything big enough for that. Bro, I don't know.
Here how it looks with the exhaust on. Honestly, the toughest part was getting these springs on. Oh my god, it looked easy, but that was the most difficult part. It is hand tightened, so you're gonna tighten it now with the torque specs that's required as per the manual. I think it's 28 newton meters or something like that. I'm just gonna look up the manual and do it. It looks good. In a bit, we're gonna fire it up and see how she sounds. Is it recording? Okay. Alright, sounds good. Here you go. Well, of course, after the install, I had to get my bike tuned. So I did choose the Dyno flash and tune to get the most amount of power out of the bike. I took the bike to Speed Labs. They're a local tuning company that I have where I live. They did a fantastic job. At the end of the tune, my bike made approximately 71 bhp. Some people say you could push it to 80, and I didn't want to push it all the way to 80 just because you risk damaging your engine. So I was okay with 70.80 to be exact. All in all, I'm happy with the install. Honestly, 300 bucks just for the exhaust is phenomenal. I've been using it for more than 6 months now. There is slight discoloration. It has turned brown, but I think all steel exhausts turn to that color, and haven't had issues since then. No leaks, no busts. I've been using it for over 6 months now. If you like this content, please consider subscribing. That does help me. Thank you so much.